In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send PDF file in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. After that, open up some conversation. And all we have to do now, in order to send a PDF file in any conversation, is just stop and that plus sign, and then select document. After that, we need to search for our PDF file. We can scroll down to search it in a reasons, or we can go into share. Also, we can top it browse. And then we'll be able to choose different folder. On your device, you can just go to on my iPhone and then browse. And then from here, you can enter any folder on your device or at iCloud. Say I want to go right here. Then download, and then I can choose any image or any PDF. While it doesn't matter, and also we can check mark multiple files at the same time. And all we have to do in order to send them is just hit at open. That's how you can easily send PDF file and any other types of documents on WhatsApp.